Welcome back to ClearTask. Have you ever needed to pull text and slides from a PowerPoint presentation into a Microsoft Word document, but didn't want to copy and paste every single page? Today, I will show you the easiest built-in way to do this without downloading any third-party software. To begin, open your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Instead of trying to save it as a Word file directly, we are going to use a quick workaround. Head over to the File menu in the top left corner, then click on Export. Select the option that says Create PDF or XPS document. Choose where you want to save it on your computer and hit Publish. Your entire presentation is now saved as a PDF file. Now let's bring that into Word. Open up Microsoft Word. Go to the File menu, then select Open. Browse your computer for the PDF file you just created and open it. Word will display a prompt letting you know it will now convert your PDF into an editable Word document. This might take a few moments depending on the size of your presentation, so just click OK. That is all there is to it. Your PowerPoint slides are now fully converted into an editable Microsoft Word document, complete with text and layout. You can format it, adjust any graphics, and edit the text exactly how you need it. If this quick tip saved you some time, make sure to like this video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.